I was planning to go to a EJ 257 block, like a closed deck block. Eventually, not yet, like, but I broke a Ringland, so
doesn't look too bad. Actually, pretty clean.
what better time to do it than right now? With that, let's get to it.
There it is, boys and girls.
Got brand new bolts.
Or get that washer or seal, whatever you want to call it. Don't want to lose that. And do the oil line. Got 314s holding on the turbo. 15s. It might be 15s. Nope. There we go. She's off. Put this over here on the shelf. I did a custom bolt to hold this on. That is a 14. Let's go take this off. Put this on with the turbo still attached. It's pretty cool. be good for you if you're going to start taking stuff apart like this to keep everything together. Put it in baggies. We're going to make a mess. Whoop. Yep, oh well. Sorry. So we'll go ahead and take out all these timing belts off. It's a 10mm. We'll turn this around. So I need to go put this thing back in time and put the pin back in this, turn it back over and put the pin in it. So we're going to do it this way. That will be cleaned. shit, that ain't good. Alright, so we'll go ahead and get these off. I don't know what all this is, but it's not metal. Must be sealant. I don't see any shavings, so I didn't see any shavings whenever I pulled it out or drained it, so I think we're probably good. This one's going to be a mess. It's going to leak all over the place. Take these bolts holding the oil pump on. Take these bolts off. Looks good. I don't see anything wrong. Baggy. It doesn't look too bad. Actually pretty clean. I believe that was one that busted Ringland. Some oil on it too. There's two different head gaskets on this damn thing. You can see this one, it's not looking too good with all that oil. You see the difference, how that one's burning, this one isn't. Pull these out. That is a 14mm Allen wrench. That's how you get to the wrist pins. So we'll grab a pair of pliers and pull that out. Now we just gotta get in there and get the wrist pins. And I've got to see if I got a tool to do that. Give me 1 second. Alright, so what you want to do is go get you a hanger. Looks alright. Alright, this one. So we ain't got no broke Ringlands. I'm gonna finish taking the block apart. I'll be right back. Alright, so let's go ahead and get this in before I run out of time. And then we'll post this on YouTube. Alright. So I'll remove every single rod. And in every single rod the bearing come off on rod journal. And they're like egg shaped onto the journal. Every single one of them are worn out. So if you can, if you know what causes that, leave it in the comments. You can tell me. Every single one of them's like that. Alright, so we got all that taken apart, and in the next video we will be building the 2.5, and we're going to do a hybrid. So I'm going to be using my WRX heads. Thanks for tuning in. I will see you guys next time.